As a business, it's always important to have a look at your environment around you. So we've always been very orientated on being green. So we had a look at the solar panels to cut down on our carbon footprint. The panels that we've installed on our roof covers about 792 square meters, 360 panels, and that should give us about 181 kilowatt production. The current premises we're renting, and we've obviously got a long-term lease on the premises, and the agreement was that we invest the money as to installing the system, which in turn is going to help us to save a lot of money after the initial payoff period of between 3 to 5 years on the system. So for the balance of our lease period, we're having pure saving on electricity. If I can give advice to other businesses who are renting their premises from landlords, it is definitely worthwhile installing PV. For the long run, it's going to be a huge saving for yourself, the renting, as well as for the landlords. Our PV system is saving us around about 190 tons of CO2, and we should be saving around about 101 tons of coal, and between 25 to 30,000 a month on our electricity bills. We'll look at investing that money into other green projects for the company.